My name is Wolfgang, I'm CEO and founder of Reflect, and today I'm going to show you how we make maintenance really easy. We've prepared a demo which is available in the app stores, and it shows you a machine which is failing. So usually you now take traditional manuals trying to search for the problem and the solution, or you would call a support hotline. With our software product Reflect Remote, you just click one button and you get connected to the expert which has the knowledge for fixing the machine. He has the options to give you annotations on what to do, and you could do the repair on your own. Very efficient and very quick. Now, for some cases, you may not even need to call the expert because you have augmented reality documentation. Sometimes the expert might just provide that via the phone. So you'd launch the augmented documentation and you see what to do one after the other. So you get instructions step by step in the right place. With our augmented reality software platform, anyone can repair anything at any time, very cost efficiently and in a high quality. If you want to try it out on your own, go to the App Store